In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create Google Sheet desktop shortcut in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there a Google Apps icon. Click on that one. And from here in this small tab, you need to scroll down, okay, and find for Google Sheets. I can see it here next to Finance. Click on this. The moment you click on it, you'll be navigated to the Google Sheets. Please wait first until it would be ready for you before we continue. So from that, you'll be able to see this kind of window where you can start a new spreadsheet, a blank spreadsheet, a a template, and any of the template sheets that you can use from or that you can customize from. Where here you can make to-do list sheet, annual budget, manual budget, Google Finance, and more. Okay, so if you would like to see any of this, you can go with template gallery and there you can see this one. So in order to create a desktop shortcut for this Google Sheet, all you need to do is you need to click on the three dots here and then scroll down and find for this cast save and share. The moment you've located your cursor here, it will open you this another window. Please proceed with install page as app. The moment you click in it, this would appear. Go with install and wait until a new file folder would be appearing here in this window. Once a new window has been appeared, that means that we have successfully created a desktop shortcut for it. So by that, you can now close those window. And there we have that you have just successfully created a desktop shortcut for Google Sheets here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so aside from that, if you would like to pin it to the taskbar to pin sheet, then click on yes to confirm, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.